Welcome back, everyone. Now, to make our pancake, we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. It's 1, 2. Now to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're just going to mix this together to combine all the ingredients. Now to the flour, salt, and baking powder mixture, I'm going to add 1 egg lightly beaten. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk. Now, our sweetened condensed milk has been mixed with water. So that's 1 cup, 2 cups. Now let's mix everything together until the batter is smooth and lump free. Now our pancake batter is ready to cook. In a fry pan or skillet over medium heat, I'm adding about a teaspoon of oil. So what I just did, I'm just making sure that the oil is coated well into the pan. Now using a 1/4 measuring cup, I'm going to scoop up some of the butter and I'm going to place it into the fry pan. So I'm actually pouring the butter in a circular motion. Now let the pancake cook, and once you notice that the edges starts to bubble, that's when you know your pancake is ready to turn. Now let the pancakes continue to cook. Now that these pancakes are finished, I'm going to remove them from the heat. So I'm just continuing to cook the remaining pancake batter. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Now, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes. And check out the pancake syrup in the description box below. Yeah, man. Peace.